Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Trello for organizing policy document tracking easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Trello and log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts. Once logged in, create a new board by clicking on the Create New Board option. Name your board something relevant, like Policy Document Tracking. Choose a background color or image to personalize your board. Click Create Board to finalize your new board setup. Now, create lists for different stages of document tracking. For example, you can create lists titled Draft, Review, and Approved. Next, add cards to each list that represent individual policy documents. Click on the Add a Card option under the appropriate list to create a new card. In the card title, enter the name of the policy document. After creating the card, click on it to open the card details. Here you can add a description for the document, including relevant details. Use the due date feature to set deadlines for each document. Assign members to specific cards if you are working with a team. You can do this by clicking on the Members option within the card. Next, attach any relevant files or links to the card for easy access. This can include the actual policy document or reference materials. If you want to track the progress visually, consider using labels. Click on Labels in the card to add color-coded categories. You can customize labels based on your needs, such as Under Review or Final. To keep everyone updated, use the Comments section. Encourage team members to leave feedback or updates as comments. Once a document goes through the process, move its card to the appropriate list. This visual movement will help you track the status of each document effortlessly. To organize your board further, you can use Trello's power-ups. Access power-ups by clicking on the Power UPS option in the menu. Search for tools that enhance document management and organization. Integrate power-ups like Google Drive for easier file management. Regularly review your board to check for documents that need attention. This will help ensure that all policy documents are up to date and properly tracked. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.